I wish I knew for sure. Maybe it was some thug on the street, needed money, got scared and pulled the trigger too fast. If you don't think I've spent every day searching for that answer. It was my job to protect them. I know you always blamed yourself. You were only a boy, Bruce. I could see the fear in your eyes, but I didn't know how to help. I could teach you how to fight, but I wasn't equipped to take care of you. You needed a father. And all you had was me. And I'm sorry. Don't be sorry, Alfred. I never thought I'd feel fear like that again. I thought I'd mastered all that. I realize now there's...